All right, guys, I'm back. I'm going to continue with the video. Sorry about that. I had a phone call. I mean, I don't know why he packed it in this. This is weird. I might need a scissor for this one. Oh, no, actually, I don't. This is the off track. Let me get this out of here. This is the Mercedes Ford Mustang Coupe, I'm sorry. This is the Chrysler Firepower concept from 2008. Okay, still gonna be a while. It's a lot of stuff. There's like 24 cars in here, so it's quite a lot. This is the Mach 1. Mystery car. Let me get this one out. This is the Surfing School Bus. Clearly see it here. This is easy. Surfing School Bus. Get this one out of here. This is Shelby Cobra 427 SC. And there's like a few more in here, I think. We have the Willys. The green Willys here. Let me just try to get this out of here. I'm in a lot of trouble. Okay, here we go. Here's the Willys. And then we have this one. I believe it's a Volkswagen Beetle. All right, Volkswagen Beetle. And we have a few more in here. Rigger motor. The Chevy LUV is in here. Oh, okay. Let's do 4 more. Probably need a scissor to get this open. Let me grab that. Okay, grab the scissor, Chevy LUV in red. We have this car, which is, I believe, the Plymouth Barracuda. Yep. I'm glad that one's in there at least. I think there were a few cars missing from this lot. He didn't put everything in there, unfortunately. Cadillac Escalade, and then we have one more here which we put in there, and then that was it. This seller really was disappointing in a lot of ways. Not a very good seller, unfortunately. And the first actually bad seller I've had a pretty long time, because not only did he ship the package late, but he also didn't send all the cars that I was asking for, and that's just disappointing, dude. I mean, that's just crazy. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got from the Meadowlands Flea Market today. So this is a Matchbox early years sedan. Dodge Charger SRT8. VW drag bus. Datsun. This is actually going to go up for sale. I'm not going to keep this. Put that off the side right there. Mercedes in blue. This Looney Tunes Chevelle. Mustang Mach 1. 99 Mustang. Alright guys, hold on a second.